Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see how to print a report in InTouch. Okay. So we are having three windows, right? So just go to file and go for print option. So in InTouch it is very simple. Okay. So just go for the print option and it is asking what are the windows or what are the features you want to have in a report. So I'm just clicking the data entries, which is details, alarm information, whatever it is. Okay, so what I'm going to choose means I'm going to choose everything. So just tick mark everything so that you'll get all the details of the project in the report. Fine. So which windows you want, whether you want particular windows or you want all, everything you can select over here. Fine. So just select everything and go for next. If you don't want such things, for example, if you don't want this script, means you can uncheck this. Right. So better select everything and go for next. It is asking in which format you want. It is having a PDF. It is having a document writer and Movicon PDF writer, OneNote and OneNote 2010, Windows 10. So there are so many options. I'm going to choose PDF, right? So just select that and click OK. If you want, you can change. And one more option, HTML file. In that also you can make, right? So I'm going to choose a printer option and I'm going to choose the PDF, right? Go for print. So it is printing. Right, since it is a PDF, it is asking where to save. So you can choose the file location. So I'm choosing the particular location and I'm just typing this is the report. You are giving the PDF file name. Fine. Just go for save. So it is saved over there. Let's check the folder. So just open. See, it is created and it is having 485 KB, depends upon the project size. Just open and watch what is over there. It is opening. So what and all we have selected in that option, it will be listed in the report. See, it is having 34 page, right? So this is the home page, no? So whatever we have in the home page is listed here. Since it is a A4 sheet, it is giving with the time, date, everything, and you can see. And these are all the details in W1. Fine. Like that you can get for all the pages. This is our second page, window 2. The details of the window 2, window 3. So these are all the details of that window 3. Okay, and the script you have used in that, everything will be listed in this report. Fine. So this is the way to get a report in InTouch. Fine. So just practice this in a software. I'll meet you in the next session with another topic like how to import and export windows. Fine. So see, here we are having 3 windows. No, how to get the same 3 windows in some other project, right? We'll see in the next session. Until then, bye.